Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition launch date has been confirmed, and there are also leaks about the S21 Fan Edition that has appeared on the shelves of Samsung in the store. Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with some latest news. So guys, we know that Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition is one of the affordable flagship level device. Its specification has already been circulating over the internet via leaks and rumors, and some of them has been confirmed by Samsung itself. Basically, if we look at this S21 FE, well, it was first considered to be launched alongside with the Galaxy foldable devices, but due to the chip shortages, you already know that it has been delayed. But we did not know when it is going to be launching. The reports were suggesting that we might see that device to be launched in between September and October. Now, today a new leak has been popped up about the launch date of the S21 FE, and that is coming from a Twitter tipster Mario QHD, which got a leak that confirms that the S21 Fan Edition will be announcing on September 8th. It's not clear when it's going to be going on sale. The timing of the launch is also interesting because Apple event is also going to be held 1 week after the launch of the S21 FE. So definitely I think that this is not going to be a great timing for the launch of that particular device. But anyhow, we already know about the S21 Fan Edition specification through leaks and rumors. A few days ago, even Glass has shared a 3D model for the Galaxy S21 FE. It's provide us all the angles of the device right from the top, bottom, left, right. Every angle has been covered in here. Unfortunately, we are not going to see the 3.5mm headphone jack according to the leak. One of the best thing which is happening is that the S21 FE is coming in a flat display, which is basically having a small edges around the corner, and the top and bottom bezels are even slimmer. We also have a punch hole camera cutout of 12 megapixel placed on the center of the device, and also it's coming with a 6.4 inches of screen with 120 Hz of refresh rate, which is definitely going to be a great option to have. The back of the design is coming with the same design language as the S21. On the back we have triple camera sensor, which is 32 megapixel main sensor, 12 megapixel ultra wide and an 8 megapixel telephoto lens. Internally the device is coming with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset. Also we have the 4370 milliamp of a battery cell, and possibly we could see a 6 gigabyte or 8 gigabyte models with 128 gigs of internal storage. It might come with a micro SD card slot, and it will be available in 5 color options: white, green, gray, violet and blue. The device pricing could be lower than the S20 FE, and we may see that particular device, the 8 gigabyte model, might come with a price tag of $700. That's how much the entry level iPhone 13 mini will supposedly cost. Anyhow, these are my opinion. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about this new device and its launch date, which is happening to be on September 8th? Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.